Car interiors can be breeding grounds for bacteria and germs, especially on high touch areas such as the steering wheel, interactive touchscreens, door handles, and belt buckles. That's why Turtle Wax has launched its new multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant spray that features Byotrol technology, an EPA-registered cleaner and disinfectant that provides 24-hour surface sanitizing action. Turtle Wax's multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant kills over 99.9% of germs, including coronavirus, norovirus, and the cold and flu viruses. This all-purpose cleaner is tough on dirt and stains, but won't harm sensitive surfaces inside your vehicle. It does not contain bleach or alcohol, is non-corrosive, doesn't require gloves, and has a fresh citrus scent. Multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant is for use on hard, non-porous, non-food contact surfaces and is best used out of direct sunlight or not on hot surfaces where product can flash and evaporate too quickly. To start use, shake the bottle well. First, pre-clean any surface that has heavily caked on soil present, then begin final cleaning and disinfecting. To disinfect and deodorize, spray on the surface until thoroughly wet. The surface must remain wet for the appropriate contact time as listed on the product label and at turtlewax.com. Then, wipe dry as no rinse is required. To sanitize, spray on the surface until thoroughly wet. Let stand for 10 seconds and wipe dry. To sanitize for 24 hours, spray onto the surface until thoroughly wet, let stand for 5 minutes and wipe dry, and reapply if the surface is rinsed. To control mold and mildew for 7 days, spray on the surface until thoroughly wet and allow to air dry. Reapply again if the surface is rinsed. Turtle Wax recently conducted a survey to uncover the shift in driving and interior car cleaning habits as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. What was found is that even amidst quarantines and lockdowns, 65% of drivers still use their car daily, and some 50% of drivers are using their cars as frequently or more frequently than they did before the pandemic. And while there is a heightened concern around keeping the interior surfaces of their car clean, many drivers say they have not increased the number of times that they clean their car, or are not using the right products to disinfect, leaving themselves and passengers susceptible to illness. One common misconception in germ and virus sanitization is around the use of household wipes. More than half of drivers, at 52%, think household wipes are a proper way to clean their car's interior. But household wipes are often ineffective in cleaning dirt and soils, won't sanitize past their initial use, and can often harm car interior's sensitive surfaces with their harsh chemical ingredients. With knowledge and practice, one can apply proper actions to their daily safety and cleanliness needs, keeping themselves and those around them healthy, happy, and prepared. Turtle Wax, dedicated to the drive.